Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently making a new video at the moment for fish and aquatics and stuff. Yeah, and also explaining why I've been away for a while on a hiatus, per se. That's currently in the making, but for now I just want to put a quick video together, a compilation. This is my budgie Zexel. I raised him from a baby by hand as he was rejected from his nest by his mother. And I've got videos and pictures of him growing up, so we can see the stages of growth in him. And as you can tell, he is almost fully grown now. He's a very well-behaved budgie when he wants to be, but can be a little bit cheeky and loves playing in my hair and stuff. So this was my first time ever raising a bird or even keeping a bird per se. I've never really been a bird person, more into fish, but slowly but surely growing into a bird person. Yeah, so he's almost a rainbow budgie. But yeah, he's a very friendly budgie and he's a male. So he's about 3 months old or 4 months old now, almost going on to 4 months old. And so I hope you guys enjoy this video. But yeah, we are going to start pumping out some aquatic and fish videos. But if you guys want to see more videos on the budgies, I have a couple more now that I've had Zexel. I bought him a couple of friends. So if you want to see some more videos on the budgies, I'll be happy to post some and do some videos about keeping budgies. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy.
He's gonna go.
Zexel.